Hey guys, welcome to our channel Fun Plus Code. Today we are going to see about functions in lists, that is part 2. Before getting into the topic, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you really like the video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to click the notification bell. Then only you will get instant notifications of our future videos. Without making further delay, let's get into the topic. Here we are going to see functions in list. Okay. In previous video I was talking about these 5 functions. That is first 5 functions. In this video we are going to see about remaining 6 functions. That is insert, extend, sort, reverse, clear and copy. First we are going to see about insert function. If you missed my previous video, please click on the I button and watch my previous video, because in that only I have talking about these 5 functions in the list. Then only you will get a clear understanding about all of the functions in list. Okay. Here I have taken the same example which I was used in my previous video. The list name is my list and index is starting from 0 and ending with 0. Inside there are 5 elements present in the list. So if you want to insert any element at a particular index, if you want to use insert function. Okay. The syntax of user to insert element inside the list is mylist.insert of 2,30. Here I want to insert 30, that is the element, okay, inside the second index. So that you want to use listname.insert function. Inside insert function you have to pass 2 arguments. First one is index. Here 2 is the index. Second one is element. Here 30 is the element. Okay, I want to pass 30 inside the second index. After inserting 30 in the second index, the list will look like this. Okay, I have inserted 30 in the second index. In previous list, 4.7 is present in second index, right? In second, after inserting element 30 inside the list, 4.7 has moved to third index. 10 has moved to fourth index and 100 is moved to fifth index. So after inserting any element, the list will look like this. Okay. Next, we are going to see about extend. Extend is nothing but if you have 2 lists, you want to combine the 2 lists inside one list. Okay, so that you can use extend function. Concatenation is nothing but combining 2 lists inside one list. Okay, here I have taken 2 lists. First one is my list 1, second one is my list 2. Okay, here first list contains 4 elements starting from 0 and ending with third index. Second list contains 3 elements starting with index 0 and ending with index 2. Clear? Now I want to combine 2 lists in single list. Okay. So I can use plus symbol also. I will let you know about that while doing programming. Syntax of using extend is you have to use mylist1 dot extend of inside this extend you have to pass mylist2. Here mylist1 is my first list name. Mylist2 is my second list name. Okay, have passed the second list inside this extend. Okay, so after combining 2 lists in single list, the list will look like this. You have to note here the list is a mylist1 because I have passed mylist2 inside extend. So this extend is used to combine 2 lists inside single list, that is in my first list. Okay, you have to note here that point. Here there are 7 elements are combined inside my list 1, that is in my first list. 5, 3, 1, 2, 9, 6 and 11. This 9, 6, 11 are present inside my list 2 previously. Now it is present inside my list 1. Okay, or you want to combine 2 lists inside single list, you have to use extend or plus symbol. Okay, that is you can concatenate 2 lists. Next we are going to see about sort. In other programming languages, we used to write some lines of code to sort the number or to sort the string, right? But here, this list is providing inbuilt function, or you can say in Python, it is providing inbuilt function to sort the elements, okay, to sort string or to sort the numbers. So let's see, I've taken the same example, which is having my list. You can simply give mylist1.sort, or you can simply give your list name.sort to sort the numbers. After sorting the numbers, the list will look like this. Sorting is used to sort the numbers in ascending order, as we know. Clear? It is starting from smallest number 1 to largest number 5. So here I have taken 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. After sorting the numbers, it is displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? I will write program for numbers as well as strings. Don't worry. Okay. Next we are going to see about reverse. Reverse also, in other programming languages we used to write some lines, but here you can write single line to reverse the numbers. Let's see how to write the numbers. I have taken the same example, my list. So here you can give mylist dot reverse, or you can give your list name dot reverse. It will reverse that elements inside the index. After reversing the elements, the list will look like this. Here I have taken in previous list 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. After reversing the list, it is looking like 4, 2, 1, 3, 5. So 4 is present in last index. It is moving that index to, it is moving that element to the first index. Clear? Like so, it is performing all the elements to the very next position. Next, we are going to see clear. Clear is nothing but it is used to delete all the elements from the list, but the list will be available in the memory, but the elements which is present inside the list will be deleted from the list. Clear? I have taken the same example, my list. Okay. If you want to delete all the elements from the list, if you want to empty the list, you can give mylist.clear. It will delete all of the elements from the list and it will display only empty list. Okay, we will see while doing programming what result it is displaying. Okay, finally we are going to see copy. Here, if you want to copy one list into another list, you can use copy. So this is the old list. I have taken another example. I have given the name as old list. Okay, index starting from 0 and ending with 4. I have used this syntax because if you want to copy one list to another list, you need another variable, right? Here, new list is the new variable equal to old list is the list of the name dot copy. I want to copy that old list elements inside the new list. Okay, after copying old list elements into new list, the list will look like this. Note here, this is the new list. Okay, so I'm simply copying old list elements inside the new list, nothing more than that. Now I'm going to write a program for all of the functions. Here I've already created a file. Now I'm going to take same example as we saw in that examples, right? Here my list is the name of the list, and just first I'm going to print the list. Yes, first I'm simply printing the list. After that only you can able to understand while I'm doing all of the functions, all of the operations using those functions. Clear? Here first I'm going to use insert function. So insert is used to insert elements inside the list in whatever index you want. Now I'm going to insert 300 inside third index. After that I'm going to print the list. So now I'm running the program. It will look like 300 is inserted in the third index. Clear? This is a 0 and this is a 1, this is a second index and this is the third index. Previously pencil is present in the third index. After inserting 300 in the third index, the list is looking like this. Okay, 300 is as inserted in the third index. The pencil has moved to next and so on. Okay, clear? Next we are going to see example for, now we are going to see example for extend. For that I am going to create two lists. List 1 equal to 3, 4, 5 and list 2 equal to 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to use extend function, list 1 dot extend of list 2. After that I'm going to print list 1 as well as list 2. Let's see what will happen after concatenating two lists. Okay, first I am printing list 1. Here it is combining all the elements which is present inside list 1 as well as list 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 is the elements which is present in the list 2. But list 1 has all of the elements after concatenating all the elements, just using extend. Clear? List 2 is same as that 6, 7, 8. It has not changed. Next I am going to use sort. So I am going to use mylist dot sort. After that I am going to print that list. Let's see what will happen. Yes, it is throwing error because in my list have taken all of the combined elements, integer, character, float, string. Okay, so it is a combination of all the data type elements. So it is throwing error, not supported between instance of string and integer. Okay, you have to sort the elements which is having same data type. You want to sort integer, so the list will you should have only integer elements. If you want to sort string, so the list should have string elements. For that only I am going to create one more list here. That is list 3 equal to, I am going to pass inside. Here I am going to change as list 3 as well as I am going to print that list 3. Now it will display the result. Clear? After sorting the list, it is looking like this. So 3, 7, 1, 10, 30, 0 are there. After sorting, it is displaying the ascending order. Okay, 0, 1, 3, 7, 10 and 30. Clear about sort? Next we are going to see clear. So list of 3. I am going to clear that third list. Dot clear of. So I am going to print that list. Okay. It has deleted all the elements which is present inside the list. So it is displaying the result like this. After clearing all the elements inside the list 3. It is displaying empty list. Next we are going to see copy. So I am going to have old list equal to 3, 4, 5. Simply I am giving. Next I want to copy the old list into new list. So new list equal to old list dot copy. Next I am printing the new list value. So it will copy this 3, 4, 5 which is present inside old list into new list. Clear? This 3, 4, 5 is the old list value, but now it has moved to new list value. For our understanding, I am also printing the old list also. Okay. So that 3, 4, 5 is also present in the old list, but I want to copy that elements which is present inside old list into new list. So that I am using new list equal to old list dot copy. I am assigning this into the new list. Clear? Finally, I have left only one function, that is reverse. So I am going to reverse this old list. Okay, old list dot reverse. Just I am going to print that old list. So nothing more than that, it will reverse that all the elements inside the list. Simple. So now in previously 3, 4, 5 are present in old list, right? Now it will display, it will look like this 5, 4, 3. Clear? So we have saw all the functions in the list. Okay, that is 11 functions in the list. So that's all about functions in the list, guys. I am ending this video here. If you have any doubts about these functions in the list, please let us know in the comment section. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.